A galvanic cell consists of a zinc electrode in a 0.1 molar Zn plus 2 solution and a second half cell with a platinum electrode in a 0.1 molar solution of HiO3. Determine cell potential if Ka of HiO3 is 0.2 and reduction potential value of the Zn is minus 0.76 volts. First of all, here two electrodes are there. One is zinc electrode, another one is a hydrogen electrode. Zinc electrode reduction potential value is minus 0.76 volts. Hydrogen electrode reduction potential value is 0. First calculate the E0 cell value. E0 cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Cathode is 0, anode is minus 0.76. So E0 cell value is plus 0.76 volts. And the cell reactions are anode is Zn. So Zn will undergo oxidation plus 2 electrons. Cathode is a hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen will undergo reduction. 2H plus aqueous gives rise to H2 gas plus 2 electrons here. Hydrogen is undergoing reduction. So we can cancel 2 electrons. Overall cell reaction is Zn solid plus 2H plus aqueous gives rise to Zn plus 2 aqueous plus H2 gas. H2 gas is 1 bar is the pressure and Zn solid is 1 molar. So Q is equal to product concentration by reactant concentration. Product is Zn plus 2, reactant is H plus. 2H plus ions are there, so power 2. Now first of all here HiO3 ionizes to form H plus and IO3 minus. It won't undergo complete ionization because it is a weak acid. Initial concentration of HiO3 is 0.1, H plus and IO3 minus 0. After some time, if out of 0.1 mole, if X moles undergoes dissociation, it will give X moles of H plus and X moles of IO3 minus. Ka is equal to, as a dissociation constant, Ka is equal to product concentration by reactant concentration. Here product first of all Ka is 0.2, H plus ion concentration is X, IO3 minus is also X by 0.1 minus X. If we multiply, we'll get here the final equation X square plus 0.2X minus 0.02 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation we are getting. If you apply the quadratic equation, we'll get the X value 0.073 molar, and this is X is equal to concentration of the H plus. Okay, now take the nearest equation. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log Q is the nearest equation. E0 cell value we calculated, that is 0.76 minus 0.0591 by N value is 2. We can observe in case in cell reactions, and Q is Zn plus 2 by H plus ion concentration power 2, that is equal to 0.76 minus 0.0591 by 2 log Zn plus 2 concentration is 0.1. H plus ion concentration is 0.073 whole square. If you calculate, you'll get the value 0.7224 volts is the E cell value. So the answer is 0.722, option C.